through 3. Alright, so these are kind of rolling around, so I'm gonna put them in the soil a little more. Just keep some soil on top. I decided on these containers because they're nice and deep. You see that? And the sweet peas have deep tap, long tap roots. Just making sure these don't stick to the bottom of these containers. Next we have April in Paris. And we will water these in at the end. This soil in this trug down here is not very moist. Elegance watermelon is next. Who's next? Color palette Cupid Sweet Pea. Should we do another one of these? How many more do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do another one. This is going to be a row of doubles. Spencer ice cream. What? Spencer. I'm gonna put soil on top of that one. So I don't know. Who's next? Royal Choice Salmon Pink. High Scent. I know I want 2 of these. Let's just make 2 tags. Got little roots sticking out. I'm assuming those are roots. I think roots come out first. So I'm going to carefully put them in the soil without damaging the roots if I can. All right, so here's what I'm doing. Putting my fingers on either side. Can you see the root under there? Like that. So that my fingers break the surface of the soil. And then I drop the seed there. That way I'm not pushing directly on the root. But it's starting to protrude. Probably don't even need to do that, but some of these, the top of the soil got a little bit hard after I watered it. All right. So I didn't plan this very well. I have one more here. So let's do, this is Blue Ripple. So we'll do 2 of these. I guess we'll go back to the beginning and do 1 more Blue Reflections. And we will just do a little switcheroo. Soil Reflections. So this is done. I need to cover those two and I need to find this seed. Let's cover these. There's a lot of soil. So let's see if I can tap this whole thing. Not very easily. So trying to make sure my seeds have contact without air. So I'm just popping any air pockets that showed up in the top. And then let's do a sprinkle of vermiculite. Probably not necessary. This much soil probably isn't going to get algae on top, but I just like the finished look of it. And then finally got our fancy watering can. Oh my goodness, that's heavy.